What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has shocked the entirety of South Africa as he has posted a post on his X social media account. And this post, he is praising Cyril Ramaphosa for the action that he is taking over so many of these policies that he is signing and transforming the living conditions of so many people. So this is what Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has said. This man is not what we have been told he is. He is truly up to something. Of all the SA heads of states, from Nelson Mandela, Jacob Zuma, etc., he has come out with the most committed to policies that matter and transforming the lives of the people. So these policies are the NHI, the Bela Bill, the Expropriation Act, and Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is very much impressed with the action that Cyril Ramaphosa is taking. So what is surprising on this post by Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is that he is actually encouraging political parties like the EFF to actually reconsider the way that they look and see Ramaphosa, because Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is saying the left needs to accept this and rethink its position towards Cyril Ramaphosa. Obviously, if you exclude Marikana and Palapala, etc. But Cyril Ramaphosa is definitely cooking. So this is what Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is saying. So what does this mean from Mbuyiseni Ndlozi? It seems that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is very much impressed by what the ANC is doing. And this post, is it a sign of things to come that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is going to join the ANC? Because so many people were questioning and looked at the options from the MK party and the DA and the ANC. And the ANC is definitely the most suitable political party that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi might join. But what is really surprising on this post by Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is that first statement that he wrote there, where he says that this man is not what we have been told he is. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is pulling that old card to say that we were misled about Cyril Ramaphosa, and he is actually a great man. This is what Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is saying here. This is definitely the deduction. It's not what we have been told he is. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi was misled about Cyril Ramaphosa. It's really surprising that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi would actually come out and say this about being misled about Cyril Ramaphosa. So how much of a surprise is this really, and is there anything wrong for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to be misled about Cyril Ramaphosa? Because if you look at Julius Malema himself, he actually admitted and said the same thing about Thabo Mbeki, and said Thabo Mbeki was actually far ahead of us, and it is only now that we are realizing that this man was doing the right thing. So Mbuyiseni Julius Malema, actually, when he spoke about Thabo Mbeki, he was more like saying we were misled about Thabo Mbeki, which is the same thing about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, kind of admitting that I might join the ANC. But on the other hand, however, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi seems to be overexcited by the moment here with the signing of all of this, because the Expropriation Act hasn't really changed anything so far. It has just been signed. The NHI, same thing with the Bela. The action hasn't really been seen right now, and Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is over the moon right now. But we can't blame him, because he is a politician, and he has to put food on the table for himself and his family. So this is the challenge with Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, and also even the clip that he actually quoted, it's actually very old, something like what, maybe 6 years old. So Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is really impressed by Cyril Ramaphosa, and he is definitely going to be joining the ANC soon. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.